Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning, and today in this video we'll be seeing about air quality index of India. So I've downloaded this dataset from Kaggle, and the original source of this dataset is the Environmental Ministry website of India. So I'll show you the original source of the dataset. India AQI data set. Okay, it is giving me the first link as Kaggle, but yeah, here you can see that National Air Quality Index. This is the actual source of the data where people have scraped it or downloaded it and created a very proper CSV out of it. Okay, so I'll show you the data set how it looks. So this is how the data set looks. We have timestamp from 2017 to 2020. Let's see the maximum count. I think it's 22. Yeah, 22. Up till 6, that is June. Till June, we have the data set. So from 7th of November 2017 to I think 4th of June 2022, we have the data set. Okay. And then we have the PM25 values. So let's see what is PM25. PM stands for particulate matter, and it's an indication of how bad the air quality is. And generally, it should be below 12. My understanding is let's see. Yeah, most studies indicates that PM 2.5 at or below 12 is considered healthy with little or a little to no risk from exposure. If the level goes to or above 35 during a 24-hour period, the air is considered unhealthy. Okay, so we can say that if it is below 12, it is good, it's healthy. If it is between 12 to 35, so it is moderate, and if it goes above 35, then it is really bad. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's open a collab. I've uploaded this data set into a folder structure, and let's start analyzing it. Okay, I've imported the libraries, read the CSV, and so in total we have 36,192 rows. Okay, 6 columns. Okay, let's see the info. Only the timestamp is of date time object, and others are int. One we have is float. Okay, got it. Let's do a simple describe. We can see that it's the we'll see the PM25 value here. Okay, the mean is 49. Okay, it's a bad thing that the mean is 49. Okay, even the 50th percentile is still 45, so it shows that the outliers are not impacting the mean a lot, but really the values are not good. Okay, 45 is not a good number. Okay, so because we just saw that it should be below 12 is healthy, and above 35 is for sure unhealthy. Okay, so it shows from this itself only we can have an idea that the air quality index is not proper. Okay, of this throughout the years. Okay, minimum is 7. Okay, great. Then these are the percentile values. Max we have is of 245 also. Oh my god. Okay, if let's say if we had we don't have location data here, like but if let's say if we had location data also, it would have been much beautiful to see where these minimum value and max values are being captured. Okay, so currently we don't have location data. Maybe we need a more better data set to have its view. Okay, currently these values are the aggregated values for the entire India, but that is not true, because entire India we will be having different PM25 values for different locators throughout the India. Okay, so let's see if there are none null values. No, we don't have any null values. We don't have any duplicates. Okay, great. Let's create a simple pivot table and plot it. Okay. Now, okay, 2017 we don't have full data set. We have data set only from only of 2 months. Okay, so let's just skip it. Okay, let's just not focus there. But if we, even if we focus there, we can see that in those 2 months the values are not good. Okay, you can see that the values are literally reaching above 100 also. Okay, and it makes sense because in November and December I'm expecting the quality of air quality should go definitely down. Okay, it should go down. And yeah, we can see the similar thing here also, that the quality is not being up to the mark. Here it makes sense that in the evening time when there is rush, a lot of rush, we can see that the quality is really bad. Let's say office hours and people are going away to the home, and hence the quality is bad. Okay, here also this is very interesting. How can there will be a, there should maybe uh, fog might be a reason. Okay, early morning fogs can be, because this is a pattern which we are seeing every year. Okay, in this time range we are seeing that the quality of index is going down. Even here it we can make sense that the office hours and all that can be a reason. Even the factory workers will be about to leave, and maybe there must be some air pollution trigger going away before leaving the factory, so that can be a reason. But the only possible thing which is coming in my mind right now for explaining this is morning fogs. If you have anything else which explains it better, do tell me. Okay. Okay, but here we can see that in 2017 for those 2 months the quality of air is really bad. Okay, in 2020 we have the best quality here, and it makes sense because in 2020 we had COVID and there was an entire shutdown. Now because of that shutdown, their factories will be closed, offices will be closed, people were not on the roads, and hence in these 2 years we are seeing the quality to be nice. Then again we are seeing the quality to go bad by 2022. Okay, that's it. Now let's, I've plotted a similar simple line plot here also. It's explaining the same thing, that the mean value is going down for 2020 and 2021. And yeah, here we have very high values. Okay, so I've written on the same things, that in the month of October marks the beginning of winter season. Yes, the temperature ranges are generally 2 to 30 degrees centigrades over the entire country, and it's free from moisture and the season is dry. To make the farms available for rabi crop, people literally burn the fields, so hence there will be pollution. And because of Diwali, from these two things we are seeing a huge surge in pollution in October, November, December and January. And that is something which we can see in the data also. So here we can see that the pollution indexes are going high in the later months. Okay, October, October, November, no, sorry, October, November, and December. Makes sense. These three, and even Jan also. We have a high. We have a very high there also. Okay. Then similarly, in the months of June to September, we have less because there's a lot of rainfall. Makes sense. And during summers, we have moderate ranges. Okay. Now, after this, we can see even if there are a lot of outliers there, it makes sense there will be some very peaky values in these months because of the Diwali and the Rabi crop field creation activity by the farmers. Okay. Then I did a simple kernel density estimation just to see the frequencies of the PM25 values, and the highest I got was for 32. So 32 is the highest value which we have got for throughout these 4 years, and the second highest was for 45. Okay, so this value is 45, this is 32. Okay, and we can see that the ranges is majorly from 10 to 90, we can say. That is how it is. And we also have some extreme values like 245 and 7. Okay, it's very interesting to see on which location did we got this 7 and 245. So maybe that's a further enhancement and the further takeaway which we can go further in this analysis, but we can only go further if we have the location data. Okay. Apart from that, now because we can do further things, is you can create a regression based model also for this. But the point is, here we have a time series data. So yeah, then even using Arima and Sarima, I feel that you can, with the help of these time series modeling, you can predict the PM25 value in the coming months. Okay. Or let's say if you have other features maybe, so you might go that, but considering the data set, time series is the best pick right now. I wish if we had some location data, we could have done some geolocation analysis and could have got some more beautiful things to analyze. Okay, but for now, it's just just up till now, only these things with this video, that we saw how the AQIs were from 2017 to 2022, and yeah, we saw what were the major reasons because of which there was a dip in 2020, and the reason why it's really high in October to January. So really the asthma patients and those guys would really be having a lot of problem when it comes to the quality of air. Yeah. So that's it with this, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. For its notebook, go to my GitHub. Do give me a star on my GitHub. There are a lot of free contributions which I've made on GitHub. So please, if you like the contributions, just give it a star. Fork the repo. It really helps me a lot. And stay tuned to AS for more such amazing tech stuff. Take care. Peace out.